Hey everybody, Lexi here with you, and today we are going to be recreating these nails that I saw on Pinterest. So we're going to start by setting aside the colors that I need. This one is the color B126 from Kastiny, and I'm going to be using the black and the white from Aimeili. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, because so far they're the ones that are the best in the black and white. I don't know. I'm still trying to look for some that are very pigmented, but those ones are like what I have that is best. And we're going to be painting the nail with a Kastiny gel polish color B125. This polish is super pigmented, so one coat actually goes a long way. So I'm gonna actually just be doing one coat, but obviously if I was doing a client or some press-on nails, I would be applying 2 coats just to make sure. Now that I've cured it, as you can see, I made a mess trying to mix my Saviland painting gel with the Sivery color. I got some on my finger, but that's okay because I kind of needed it, and I'm going to take advantage of that and just kind of create a random design on 2 of the nails. And then we're going to be going in with this burnt red from Kastiny. That was the color B126, and we are going to be making some just random spots, just not even trying to be too perfect. The more random, the better it looks. Now we're gonna cure them, and we are gonna go in with the white, and we are going to contour, but not perfectly. We want it to be a little asymmetrical from the red, just to kind of give it more like as if it was a separate entity. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, that's just what I'm trying to achieve. So again, not trying to be perfect, just painting wherever I think would be nice and just trying to create an abstract effect. So here I'm trying to adjust the fact that you can see my paint strokes, my brush strokes, sorry, and you kind of see the brown through the white, but I only want to do one coat, so I'm just going in and applying as much as I can so that it's as uniform as possible. So now that we've cured it, I'm gonna go in and add some kind of ripple effect. I don't know if ripple is the right word. It kind of reminds me inside of a log, you know, like that kind of show like the age of the tree. It kind of reminds me of that a little bit. But yeah, I'm just kind of doing random lines, trying to space them as evenly as possible, while just creating like I don't know how to explain it. I just don't want my lines to be the same thickness. And I'm going to do the same on this nail, except in the other direction and starting from the bottom and trying to achieve the same effect again. So while that is curing, I'm gonna go in with my dotting tool using the big end and the small end and just creating random size dots. No particular like placement or anything, just kind of looking at what looks. I'm going to be curing it right away since I don't want the dots to lose their shape, and I'm going to go and do the same thing on the other nail in no particular placement. Again, just what looks good. Now that's curing, we're gonna go in with a leaf design. I tried to stay as close as possible to the original design, but I had to add my own element to it, obviously, because it is a fall set, and I don't know, I wanted to draw some little leaves, and like I'm just going to be placing the leaves like really fast, and then I'm going to go in with my other brush and kind of like slimming them down and refining the point as much as I can. And now I'm just gonna do some dots, kind of like a little flower berries or whatever, and then go in with the red over it to just kind of give it a little color that matches the rest of the nails. So we're gonna go ahead and cure them, and we're going to be applying a matte top coat, but as you can see, I'm hesitating as they're kind of rugged and uneven because of the design. So I'm gonna apply a base coat over them to try to even them out before applying the matte top coat. So now that that's cured, now we're applying the matte top coat from Kastiny. I'm not sure, I have never tried the matte top coat. I only tried the Born Pretty top coat, and I was kind of scared of smudging the black again. I'm gonna have to try though, but I'm also testing it to see with that one. But with the base coat, probably should be no problem. Yeah, hoping it's gonna look good with the matte top coat. So here they are. I think they're so cute and so adorable, very fall-esque. So let me know what you think. Did you like this design? And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget the thumbs up. And of course, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.